Merry Christmas! What's your plan for your dinner celebration on Christmas Day? This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make these glamorous, classic Christmas tablescape. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Ejiro of Ejiro Celebrations, a floral and event design company based out of Nashville, Tennessee. In this YouTube channel, we share wedding planning tips, floral and event design inspiration, and DIY party decoration. In today's video, we're going to be doing a very simple Christmas tablescape with items you might have in your house and some items from Ross, Marshalls, or Home Goods. So please stay tuned. So to start this tablescape, I've gone ahead to put this beige chaton silk tablecloth on my table, and I'll go ahead and now bring the centerpiece. It's going to be a very simple centerpiece. This Christmas cones from Hobby Lobby, and then they are going to be the basis of my centerpiece for this tablescape. And because it's Christmas and I love light, I'm going to have to put some light under to shine up on the I'm just going to be putting some LED lights underneath each corner. So I'm going to be using red chargers today. This is the perfect time to get your chargers, as a number of companies, craft shops are having sales on Christmas color chargers and other chargers they have. So don't miss out on getting yourself some chargers. Don't you just love the hammer look? I'll be using my clear and glass plates. White salad plates. So to bring out the color of my glass plate, I'll be using some gold napkins. Okay, so it's now time for the napkin. I'm going to be using 2 napkins for this tablescape. First a gold and then the red. What do you think? I love it. Red and gold, classic Christmas decoration, simple centerpiece, simple tablescape. What do you think? If you like this tablescape, please share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and Merry Christmas!